How do I get a list of available, i.e. uninstalled, packages in Debian? Essentially what I'm looking for is the Debian equivalent of to show me which packages are available, though not currently installed. I prefer something that can be run from the console as this is on a remote server. Thanks.
grep dctrl and its derivatives provide a great way to query the apt cache files. You can install these tools on Ubuntu with sudo apt-get install dctrl tools. In the case of available, but not necessarily installed, packages, you can use grep available. For example, to list all available packages. Edit. Aptitude can show you a list of not installed packages by just launching it. You can also get a list of not installed packages with Aptitude by using Note that with the new multi-arch packages, you'll get packages for other architectures listed in this result. For example, I have the bash package installed, but it's the AM64 version, since my OS is installed with the AM64 version of Ubuntu Precise. If you don't want to see these packages for other architectures, you can exclude lines containing column.
apt cache is used for querying the package cache.
My point of view is to work with commands installed by default, and avoid extra packages if there is not any particular reason. In my Debian with new bash, these simple commands gives a list of anything installed and not installed. I can then limit the results with grep installed or grep installed. It also can be combined with one or more package names, while it marks accepted. Switch all versions provides an output separate lines for each package version: stable, testing, unstable, experimental. Simple apt list gives only one, the highest priority, version.
Use apt cache for this purpose. Since apt cache only uses the package cache on the system, make sure that this cache is up to date. You can also use the utility apt file if you know the name of a file you want to search for. This has to be added to the system however. For example, I tend to use apt cache in one of the following ways. This shows you things that have item actually in their summary or names. This searches for thing then sorts it for pleasant viewing with less.